Welcome to the Swazzle Puppet Studio. I'm Sean.
And I'm Patrick.
In our last episode, we showed you how to use your mock-up to derive your final foam patterns.
In this episode, we're going to show you how to trace, cut out, and assemble your final puppet body.
Let's get started!
To assemble your final puppet foam body, we'll trace the patterns, cut out the pieces, and then glue them together. For this step, you will need your puppet patterns, 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch reticulated foam, a marker, pattern weights, persona blades, a large circle template, like a roll of tape, contact cement, rubber gloves, and a respirator. Place your patterns on your foam and hold them in place with your pattern weights. Use the marker to trace your patterns. We suggest using a marker that matches the color of your final puppet. Once they are traced, use a persona blade to cut the foam pieces out. Try to keep the blade as straight up and down as possible so you don't accidentally cut a beveled shape. Also, keep in mind that persona blades are very sharp, so please use with caution. If you notice your blade is starting to drag against the foam, that's an indication that it's dulling, and it's time to safely dispose of that blade and start fresh with a new one. Once the pieces are cut out, pin them together for gluing. Use contact cement to glue your foam together. Always follow the manufacturer's safety guidelines when using contact cement. Work in a well-ventilated space, wear gloves, and a respirator. Remember that contact cement should be applied in thin, even coats. Once both sides are tacky, you press them together, which will create a strong bond. As you're gluing your foam together, use the registration marks as your guide. Also, assemble the foam body so that the marker is on the inside. Trace a hand hole in the base of the puppet. We find that a roll of tape is a good size. Make sure that the hand hole is positioned a little towards the back of the puppet and not directly underneath the neck hole. Use a persona blade to cut out the hole. Now you can try it on for size. Your foam puppet body is complete. In the next episode, we'll show you how to use armature wire and a drill to make your puppet hands posable.
Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a single step.
And we'll see you next time in the Swazzle Puppet Studio. Goodbye!